What's up, my beauties? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a stretch mark removal remedy. Okay, so one thing about stretch mark is that it doesn't just go very fast on the skin. That's the truth. It doesn't just go very fast on the skin like that. But of course, when you're consistent in applying this homemade remedy that I'm showing you, your stretch mark is just gonna go off and you are going to be loving your smooth skin again. And also, if you're actually using some chemical mixed cream and all of those harsh substances on your skin and you still want to use this and be like, oh, it didn't work, man, you have to leave one for one. Okay, so if you're using all of those chemical stuff, you know that it's not going to work. But if you want to leave the chemical stuff and use this, it's just going to help you so much to remove and whoop out all of those stretch marks with a little time. Okay, now let me show you the ingredient that I use in making this, and so you can easily get it and make it and use it on your skin. So don't forget to thumbs up, share this video, subscribe and like, and let's ride in. The stretch mark remedy, we're going to be making use of aloe vera, guys. Now aloe vera is helpful for the skin because it is great for acne treatment. It adds moisture to the skin, it relieves skin irritations, and it also heals sunburn. It slows down the signs of aging, and it is great in removing stretch marks. And then the next ingredient, we're going to be making use of shea butter. Shea butter is a natural moisturizing agent that helps to moisturize dry skin. It treats acne and blemishes, it reduces skin inflammations, and it also provides relief of itchy and peeling skin. Restore the elasticity of the skin. It reduces razor irritations and bumps, and it also reduces stretch marks. It helps for anti-radical agents on the skin. Okay, and then also we're going to be making use of vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E capsule is a powerful antioxidant that may be effective at reducing the UV rays of the skin, and it also helps to nourish and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. And it's also a great oil that is very thick. It helps your skin increase the elasticity, and it also helps in removing stretch marks. And then we are going to be making use of onion. Now the outer skin of onion provides an excellent source of vitamin E, C and E, numerous antioxidants. The skin of onion are also a rich source of flavonoid, and it protects the skin from anti-inflammatory, and it's also a great remedy that works in removing or reducing stretch marks. So it's going to be very important in this remedy because it's going to help to remove all of the stretch mark. Alright guys, so I'm going to be removing the skin of the onion. We're going to be peeling that all off. Alright, so now what we're going to do is to grate the onion. Okay, so I'm going to be grating it now. You can either choose to blend your onion or you grate it. Okay, now when you're grating your onion, you also have to be careful, guys, okay, so you don't lose your fingers. Alright, so we're going to be transferring the onion into the sieve, okay, and then we're going to be sieving out the juice of the onion. Okay, so this is the onion juice. Now we're going to be scooping out half tablespoon of the shea butter. Now you can scoop out as much as you want, guys. Okay, if you want to make the treatment really much, you can scoop out more. So what we're going to do is to try to mix this all up together. Okay, now you can actually choose to dissolve it, okay, like a double heat. So I'm going to be doing that, but before that, let me put in the vitamin E. So I'm going to be pressing the vitamin E into this treatment also. Now time for the aloe vera, and then we can scoop in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of that, depending on how much you want your mixture to be. Okay, so now we would have to be mixing this all up. Do is to try to mix this all up together really well. So you're going to take time to mix this so it can mix properly, because definitely it's going to mix. Okay, alright, so after you finish mixing this, you would have to look for a little container, and then you pack all of this goodness in it, okay, because this is going to last long for you. You can use it for like 1 to 3 months. Okay, you're all oiled and you're going to see the improvements. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be applying this onto your stretch mark area. Okay, alright, so this is it, and then you have to close it, and then you keep it in a very cool, dry place. Okay, not a hot place, and also not inside the freezer. Yeah guys, so how you apply this is that you would have to take some quantity of that, and then you would have to rub it all over the affected area. Okay, only the affected area where you have the stretch mark, and then you rub it all over that place just like this. And then when you rub it, you begin to see that the oil is going to begin to loosen, and then you're going to begin to feel the water-based mixture, because this is a water-based mixture. Okay, it's going to begin to feel as if you're actually rubbing water on your skin. Then you know that it is actually getting into your skin. Okay, now there are old and new stretch marks. Stretch mark is one thing that actually do not really go fast on the skin like that, so you have to be consistent in using it. You have to be very generous in applying it, and you have to also be patient in in waiting for it to work really fine on your skin. Okay, so this is how you're just going to apply it, and rub it in a circular motion, and then you're going to begin to see a whole lot of improvement after 2 months. Okay, now you have to give it time to work, because this is natural. It doesn't just, the stretch mark doesn't just disappear, and stretch mark actually, it's going to begin to change its color. That's when you know that it is working. Okay, now when you rub it, then you can close this, and then you store it. Okay, you store it for some time, and it's still going to be there for you. Then you can continue using it. So that's it guys, that is just a very simple stretch mark removal remedy, and you have to give it a little time to work, because stretch mark does not go very fast on the skin like that. Okay, that is actually the truth. And there are new and old stretch marks, so you have to, when your stretch mark has taken too much time on your skin, like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you will have to use this for like 3 months and above for you to begin to see a huge improvement. Okay, so that's it guys. If you did enjoy watching the video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video, and bye guys.